my phone, I can't hesitate. Little nigga getting to it, please demonstrate. Cop another box of woods, cause I'm feeling good. Another hit, finna slide back to the hood and get my boogie on. Hey, get my boogie on. Get my boogie on. Hey, get my boogie on. Hey, should I wake up?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Saucy Dudes back with another video. Shit. I feel like I got way more consistent, so I don't want to hear nobody bitch ass when y'all see me in public talking about some, what happened to the YouTube channel? What happened to the YouTube channel? Where the YouTube videos at? Nah, nigga. I did like 6 videos in a week. That should be enough to hold y'all for a month. The fuck? You'll be watching them all the way through any motherfucking way. So the ones you didn't watch all the way through, take your ass back, finish watching that. Then that's a whole nother view. What the fuck? Heidi, if you're watching this, fuck you. Say what's up to the vlog, my niggas.
Know what I'm saying? What's up, my guy?
This nigga gonna say nah, shit.
Know what I'm saying?
Why I feel like I can't see CD? Why CD not getting me?
Know what I'm saying?
Got to it. Alright, vlog. It's raining and shit. You feel me? I wore my Uggs today. I've been stepping in puddles. It's cold as a bitch. Brr! Oh my god. And my water bill be stupid high at home.
You can't even hear me. I'm gonna make it do murder.
Hell, I come. Brr! Gucci! And I make it rain with the TikTok. Looking for a yellow bone, long hair star. Dick in the hips. Got your girlfriend here. Then the bitch Kevin and she think I need it. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it a rack with my people. I can't be kicking. Wrapped it, I ain't gotta kept it. I be getting chill like a bell eater.
Gunshots sound like music hanging out the Buick. Why you wanna be a shooter? Mama told me not to do it, but I did it. Now I'm locked up in a prison. Call her mama like I.
Yeah.
Make it.
What?
Damn.
What you call for? We messing up music, brother.
Brother?
What do you think?
We messing up our music, brother.
Oh, this nigga. Oh, hey, I like that jacket, my nigga.
Jock smell like old men.
You feel me? I'm here with the football niggas. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? All right, tell them your name. Big Cool. Big Cool. Big C. Everett. Big Bo. You gotta speak into the mic, my guy. Big Bo. Big Bo. That's Big Bo right there. How y'all doing? All right. All right, so look, today the question is, Mom's is dying. She on her deathbed, right? You got one chance to save her, but you gotta suck a dick. What you doing?
Sherry on her deathbed, dude. I love my mom and all, but it's a time.
Hey, you ain't gonna lie, bro. Everybody gotta die sometime.
My mama lived a good life, bro.
Damn.
That's what he said. Come on, Bo. That neck.
My nigga Bo. My nigga Bo gonna throw the net. My nigga Bo gonna throw the net. That's the real one. Hey, look. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 niggas. It's only one real nigga out of all 5.
That's not well, hey.
Fucked up.
That don't necessarily make him a real nigga.
Oh God, he gonna suck dick for his mama life though.
It ain't nothing about another nigga sucking dick making him a real nigga. and think about it like this, bro. She already on her deathbed. Like you telling me him sucking dick gonna make her like.
But if it's to save her life, you know it's gonna save her life. You gonna suck the
But
dick
she
or
on
no?
her deathbed. You feel me? It'd be different if it was just like.
She in her prime.
Huh? Yeah, exactly. If she in her prime,
Look, I'm gonna ask you the
that's a
question.
different
I asked
story.
them.
Still not sucking a dick though.
Mom's on her deathbed, right? You got one chance to save her life, but you gotta suck a dick. You doing it or no?
Bro, I love my mama, dog.
Go throw that neck.
Throwing neck, bro.
Hey.
That's what I love.
Hey,
I love my mama, bro. Like,
sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to
Okay,
save
but
her
look.
What am I doing?
Think about it like this.
I ain't never said my mama. She
Think
can go.
about it like this, bro.
She can go.
Hey, man,
Hold on. You can think about it like this, bro. You can suck some dick, right? Boom. Save her life, and she can get hit by a bus the next day. Right, that's what I'm saying. Suck some dick for no reason. Suck dick for no reason.
Instead of sucking,
You got one more
jerk
dick?
off.
You
Instead of
gotta
that,
suck the dick. You gotta suck it.
nah, bro. Nah, bro. Like, I already sucked the dick. Like,
You give it a nigga head. You give the nigga head.
yeah, I might as well. I mean,
You already stroking this shit.
You giving the nigga head.
What
makes it different?
All right, next
It
question.
don't make
Next question.
bro,
Next
you
question.
saving your
So,
mom.
Next question.
all right, look. What's heavier? A pound of cotton or a pound of stone?
I mean,
Hey, my mama.
they weigh the same.
Think about it.
Okay.
They weigh the same. You feel me? But okay.
Boy in the back wanted to be in the video so bad.
Like this, bro.
It's on the pound?
Everything is a pound.
Smart man.
You sure?
Bro. Yep, pretty sure.
You positive? I'm positive. You know all y'all wrong? No, I'm just playing. All right.
Bro, the real question is, would you rather get hit by a pound of bricks or a pound of feathers? That's the real question.
It's all a pound, nigga. It's a pound at your head.
But which one will hurt more?
It's the pound.
The pound of bricks.
Okay, so does that mean that something's heavier than the other?
No, it depends. Like, okay, you can get hit with a pound of pillows, you feel me? That
I'm
shit
having
won't hurt.
deja vu right
But if
now.
you get
Oh,
hit like with a fucking rock or something, that's a pound. That shit goes.
You do more damage than
If I
Yeah.
get hit with a pound of feathers, right?
You're not gonna feel that. You're not gonna feel that shit, bro. Trust me. If you get hit with a fucking,
That's all a pound, though.
it's different, bro. It's different.
So we went to the mall. Me and Macon didn't get nothing, but Asia got a clean cooch. So I mean, like, I guess we came away with something for today. Now she walking fast past us. Definitely gonna post it. Definitely not editing it either. Asia, was that your first wax? Hey, yo, bitch. Asia, was that your first wax? Oh. It wasn't her first, but she acted like it was.
You'll get lost. Mixing different weed for one. Only thing taking off. Here we go. She remind me of my Benz. She remind me of my Benz. She remind me of my Benz. She remind me of my. She remind me of my Benz. She remind me of my Benz. She remind me of my Benz. She remind me of my.
That's how I come. Oh, let that so, let that shine. Let that shine.
I can teach you anything. I'll teach you.
I'll make it on point.
Stay there. Play no wrong. Stay in your lane. Know your position. All that.
So we made it to the movies. But I could have sworn. But yeah, we made it to the movies. And I've seen the movie already. I really don't want to see it again. You seen it already?
No.
Shit. I got an app for you, and you could just watch it, and it ain't gonna look bad.
You better go watch it right now.
I guess.
I want to watch something else. What app is it?
It's called Kodo Movies.
Bro, I gotta like download too.
Nah, just click the link in the download to you. But yeah, man, we made it to the movies, dude. Hey, last time I was here, some old lady, I was sitting right there. Some old lady tripped and fell. That popcorn in her hand. Me too. Don't you know, them roaches taste good. Let me make sure, I got my wallet. Damn, that's crazy. Cause you know what? I was ending the vlog and then y'all came in. That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Don't end it yet. Wait, wipe this.
Anyway, like I was saying, yeah, I feel like today was uneventful, but it was enough. And I promised the vlog in the last video.
Yeah, we forgot to work out today, but it's okay. It's alright. We'll work out tomorrow.
Next time. Yeah.
How did you do that? You were just out of space.
You know what? I'm gonna run out of space again if you keep talking to me while I'm trying to do the outro.
All right. So,
Yep. Anyway, like I was saying, all right, YouTube. Probably gonna vlog again sometime soon. Maybe Saturday or Friday. I don't know yet. But you're gonna get another video. Trust me, believe. So, from gang, Nate Bud. We see y'all later.
Bro.